K20EF is looking clean. Beep beep. Come on out, boy. Ooh. Mad guy's left his windows open. Yeah, what can we take? What can we take? Civic floor mats. He's had this bucket seat for like 50 years. I shit you not. 50 whole years. Activity levels high. We go see if he's in there. Ooh. I'll tell you in the back. I was gonna come and say hello. AC's on full. That's why it's going. It's cooling down rapid. Need some meth? Oh yeah. Samuel goes a stone in there.
It does. You would think it's a stone, but then the stone would go.
Get a stay on that. Yeah, true. Getting it started today, Jam. Everything's ready. Your charger's on. Knuckles on. I've got a big bolt in my tyre. Start the whizzy.
Why did you do this? Why?
Well, what's going on, Jam?
So we've got the oil, the heater sump on. So
Some heater, okay.
So we got that on. I've had that on for about 45 minutes. But yeah, so that's on. The battery's on charge. I've left it loose, so we're gonna put some more fuel in it. Yeah. So that's in. I'm gonna crank it over and get oil pressure up. I've unplugged the injectors so it doesn't try to start, even though it won't start. But figure
Just in case, yeah.
So I'm gonna try and build up the fuel pressure, oil pressure to about 14 psi. Once it gets to about that much, then plug everything on, and then inshallah we get to fire up and see how she is. I fixed the bolt in the gearbox.
Oh, hey, did you? I bought the kit anyway, just in case.
I bought one for 30 quid down the road.
Oh, did you get the meth? Ooh. Methanol, baby. Brian's Skyline. What does he run? 8 seconds. Yeah, that's fast.
When he's fucking driving, he's bang on. I don't get no issue with it. But he gets hot, bro. Should agree.
How come no one does air filters around here?
I'm gonna get the lower temperature switch on it.
I just removed it, but they'll have to make the things here to catch it here.
Oh, you got the...
Yeah, that's what I used. So I went one size bigger. I went to M15, and I got it in there to about that much. And I just with the spanner got it in, and then it's tight now. And but that's the only thing, I tried to get as much shavings out as possible. I don't know if it's all out.
Fucking hell. But you live life on the edge, bro. That shit would have me sleepless.
I took as much as I could out. What I sacrificed is some gearbox oil, so I put it in there and I'm going to drain it back and then put brand new.
You know, fair enough.
And then hope for the best.
Fair enough.
Has this gone green? Yes, this is gone beautifully green. So that's green. That means my battery is fully charged. I'll leave this on now.
No bolts in here, are there? Oh, this. Your McDonald's windows don't open? No, come around the drivers. Piss.
It's okay for you to stop anybody.
It's okay for you, not okay for me.
It's okay for you to try and take this off so you can see a bit more. So, if you look here, can you see where it says oil P?
What's this?
That's my. Oh, that's what come off the last engine. Yeah. So, can you see where it says oil P?
Yep.
So that's where we're going to swing till that gets to about 40. And you probably take it straight away, or it might take about 10 seconds. And look at firing up now. So that's good. So now we're going to go and put some fuel in it. This is the special stuff, you know, from Space Jam.
Some secret sauce. Musa! It's the big man ting sauce your dad's got.
Oh, nice.
Top lube for alcohol fuel. Better not be drinking that, Jam.
The cars are drinking.
You shall have a sniff.
Yeah, this smells like cherries.
Oh, that does as well.
Yeah, that's
I thought you were taking the...
Smell that one there. That one smells.
I thought you were taking the piss. Why does it smell like cherries?
Because I bought the scented one.
So it smells coming out the back? Or the front?
The front. Yeah. But it's still bad because now that you like the smell, so you carry on smelling it.
And then you get cancer.
Inshallah not.
Oh, yeah. So how much fuel does the The car take?
You'll find that nice, quite empty now.
Oh, okay.
Take a beer, I'll get that sorted. And I'll try that.
There you go, over there.
Is that oil you put in there?
Like, yeah, you know like how you do with 2 strokes?
Oh.
But this is top loop for methanol cars.
I should have got him a box of the Tough Glove Gator grip ones. Or...
I don't like them. Is that the one with the spots on them?
No, they like this black ones I got.
Oh, exactly
But
the same.
yeah, much better than this.
They're thicker than them.
Yeah, I wore them the
I
other
don't
day.
like the spotty ones.
Right?
They're okay. They're too thick. But these are way too thin. I'll bring you a box.
Cherries.
Making mocktails here.
Mocktails. Oh, look. Flip upside down. 88 mil. Fully sleeved K24. Have you ever saw one of these before?
This is a pipe with a fitting on the end.
Very good. Tell some moments, Gold. You're going to see what it does in a minute. I'm surprised some people don't. No, they're going to the end of here. That might do, but this is another purpose of this.
If you're sucking it, bro, you're a madman.
You think I'm a P. Diddy? I'm always a good friend in that.
So I think you're just gonna go.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a one-way valve in there. Yeah.
It's a jiggle.
That's it. Should go.
£7 from Halkett.
Specialist equipment.
You should fold it like this.
I know, someone else told me that as well.
Fucking nasty, man.
Not this. I will never change this to 4-wheel drive. I'll have to build a whole new drag car. Because this will always be my front-wheel drive car.
Yeah.
Oh, you're playing with methanol like it's nothing, like it's water.
It is water though. Turns
Well,
into water eventually.
Yeah, but some
The mints
scary,
will drop so many on the floor, it's gone.
some scary stuff. I told him that's brake cleaner.
Let's hope for the best.
It's water. But you're not gonna use that for easy start, are you?
Yeah.
And this geezer runs fucking 8 seconds.
You know, yeah, but you need it for this because I got a mechanical fuel pump. You're gonna see how long it's gonna take to start.
It's the most yeehaw. Spray some brake cleaner into here. Alright, now this will be sick.
Just in case I have to recalibrate the shifter.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't do that little check. And imagine it starts and it's there like
Spinning away.
Yeah. Oil's in, everything's in.
I found your lost 19mm bolt, by the way.
Where was it?
In my tyre.
I don't think it's mine.
Oh, just about gonna say, hard to start. It started first turn. Okay, now. So how come your pulse in it?
Because
oil leaking. Oh,
Oh, the turbo.
Yeah, this.
Oh,
Yeah.
I forgot to fit that yesterday. Got to tighten it. Yeah. That's okay. But I've noticed something else is not working properly, is the temperature sensor, which is really annoying because I have to do the whole system.
I got a thingy at home.
Sorry.
Yeah, back. I said, yeah.
So the AA's come out to get this absolute beast of a bolt out. Jim, I got something for you, you know.
What's this? Shit! You think I want flies around me? I already have flies around me when I put my car down.
You want to smoke your brother? Give him that. Cherry, eh?
Cherry.
Oily boys. That is loud.
You gonna check the plugs out?
No, not yet. Does that pump sound like it's pushing water around?
Yes. There's no air in it.
Okay, what kits are okay, let's start. See how long it takes for it to start skipping.
Did he find jamming?
Nothing, I just don't like it idling properly.
You don't like it.
When you know your car, you know something's not right. But this was the one that was a bit dodgy, so what we're going to do is we'll swap them two around.
Right, that one. That's still spinning.
Yeah, this one ain't sparking. You see how wet it is? Oh. Even that one's a bit wet, to be honest. This was the number one. Yeah. If not, I'm going to take them up my nephew's car.
Where did you get the leads made from?
For me still. Put these in because they shoot. I let one run, yeah, I didn't put these on. And because this has gone through into the rocker, then the run come back down everywhere. Wait. The famous 10 that goes running.
Fucking god.
Is that why I'm always buying new 10s?
Someone runs off with them.
It could either be a blocked injector as well though. That's another one because I don't even clean up my injectors.
Yeah.
You know, Sabi, I know how to fix it. If we put this race water in the race water cap and fix it. It's in there. Tell you, fix it. You probably wouldn't.
Say bye to your car.